Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean Specialties. So today we are making sloppy joes for Super Bowl Sunday. So what the ingredients are, they are 1 pound of ground beef. I'm using venison pork. You can use ground beef, pork, turkey, anything. Then we have 1 cup of tomato sauce, 1/2 cup of ketchup. We have 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard, a squeeze of honey, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and that's it. So let's pour it into the This is gonna be like the sauce on the meat. So let's put in the honey. And that's what we have the spoon for. Yeah. There we go. Good. And this is just a great little dinner or lunch or snack after the Super Bowl or any time, really. Good. This and salt. Pepper, and now we whisk it up with the whisk. And this is turning out really good. Good. That looks so good. Yeah, now get a spoon and whoa. This is really fun to make when you're just like for the Super Bowl and for any time. Drop a comment down below, what is your favorite commercial or anything. But so while this is cooking, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to show you some snacks that I have for the Super Bowl. I have some avocados. I'm going to make some fresh guac. And then I have some siete lime chips. They're really good, a good flavor. They have some organic popcorn with extra virgin olive oil. Good with like the Unreal M&Ms. And then we have these organic ridge cut plantain chips with Himalayan pink sea salt. They're really good, just as a little snack for a snack bowl. But now, this looks like it's done. So, I'm going to take the spoon. There we go. Oh, this looks good. Now, put all this over to the side. I'm gonna try it. Oh my God, that is so good. And you can have it with the Bubby's pickles. That was great. And I hope you liked this video. Drop a comment down below which team you're rooting for. Kansas City or Buccaneers? Kansas City. So remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And see you next time, guys. Bye.